Number 1. K-Master Pork Puller Drill Attachment. No longer need to waste your precious time on pulled the pork butts. A large pork butts can be shredded in just 2 to 3 minutes. Eradicate the pain of shredding Boston butts. Just enjoy the party for your family and friends. The pork puller can be used with standard hand drill. The shaft features hexagon design to grip drill chuck.
Number 2. Lecamesh Diamond Beveling Chamfer Bits. This is a versatile diamond milling finger bit designed to wet or dry in large, shape, polish, clean, trim, finish, round, or bevel existing rough holes of marble, ceramic, porcelain, tiles, granite, stone. You can easily produce 0 to 50 mm hole size with just one standard diamond core bit plus one diamond chamfer cone tile bit, cost effective. Number 3. Bates Helix Paint Mixer, 11.8 inch. Bates Paint Mixer makes mixing liquids fast and easy. This paint mixer quickly mixes deep epoxy resin, latex and oil paints, and other viscous liquids.
Number 4. Scotch & Pro Paint Roller Cleaner Dryer Washer Cleaning Tool for Paint Rollers. Roller Cleaner does an excellent job of getting all the paint out of the roller head. Keeps the fibers of rollers soft and clean. Also, to keep your expensive rollers clean and reusable. This tool can attach to your drill driver to clean your paint rollers quickly and efficiently.
Number 5. Aid Life Metal Shears Attachment. The Aid Life Metal Shears Attachment is able to cut up to 18 GA and 1.2 mm material including, but not limited to, sheet metal, corrugated sheet metal, duct, asphalt shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding, wire, plastics, cardboard and rubber. Connects by a standard 1/4 inch hex shank. This attachment works with most 18-volt, 20-volt cordless drill, impact driver, and drills. The blade can be removed and sharpened.
Number 6. Wire brush for drill set. The drill wire brush set cover wide tasks such as removing rust, scale, paint, polishing wood crafts, finishing weld seams, and other light to medium duty surface treatment of metals. Number 7. Izami Electric Drill to Circular Saw Adapter. This drill to circular saw adapter can be used with any model of power drill, allowing you to use the cutting function when you only have a power drill.
Number 8. Jerex Tools 32mm Kindling Cracker with Splitting Drill Bit. Put a foot or use other ways to keep the wood in place to avoid spinning. Use one hand to hold the side handle of the drill, the other hand holds the drill and sets at low speed. Take only a small bit at a time. Start very near the edge. Do not drill this into the center. Be cautious for the reversing torque.
Number 9. 90-degree cordless right angle adapter drill attachment adapter extension bit holder. The 90-degree drill adapter is suitable for most standard drills, such as hand drills, electric drills, polishing accessories, etc. And it is suitable for occasions where the place is small, compact, or the angle is tricky, which can help you complete the work quickly. Number 10. Boar Brush Bronze Boar Brush Boar Cleaning Brush Set. There are stainless steel cleaning brushes and brass cleaning brushes with different sizes. All of them have a 1/4-inch hex shank, enough for your need in common wire brush applications. You can keep wire boar brushes in your car, garage, office, and kitchen, and the boar brushes are suitable for cleaning, polishing, painting, or rust removal in automotive, fabrication, machining and smiting applications, and a lot of others.